You will need 1/2 cup butter softened to room temperature, 1/3 cup powdered sugar, 1 cup flour, 3 large eggs, 1/3 cup fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon fresh lemon zest, 3/4 cup sugar, 3 tablespoons of flour, as well as 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar for dusting. Begin by preheating your oven to 325 Fahrenheit or 160 Celsius. Cream 1/2 cup softened butter until smooth. This will take 2 to 3 minutes depending on how soft your butter is. Add 1/3 cup of powdered sugar and continue to mix until it is pale in color. Next we'll add 1 cup of flour. Add 1/2 cup at a time and make sure to mix well between each addition. You're going to want to continue mixing until large crumbs form and the dough starts to come together. Line an 8x8 pan with parchment paper. Now gently press the dough into the bottom of the pan. Make sure you get it into all of the corners and try your best to get it as even as possible. This will ensure that you have even layers in your bar. We're going to bake these for 16 to 18 minutes or until the edges are just golden. After removing from the oven, use a fork to poke holes in, but not through your crust. Now for the lemon layer. In a large bowl, combine 3 large eggs, 1/3 cup fresh lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of freshly grated lemon zest. Mix until just combined. Add 3/4 cups of sugar, as well as 3 tablespoons of flour. You're going to want to sift this just to ensure that you don't end up with any lumps. Next, we're going to mix this for 2 to 3 minutes. You want to try to incorporate the sugar into the egg and lemon juice as much as possible. Next, we're going to pour the lemon mixture over top of the baked crust, and we'll bake this for another 16 to 18 minutes. Let the lemon bars cool for 30 minutes and then refrigerate for 4 hours to set. Once chilled, remove from pan and dust with powdered sugar. Cut into squares and enjoy. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me today and taking the time to watch my video. I would appreciate so much if you would like or subscribe, and I hope that you'll join me next week for a new recipe.